Atletico Madrid with a big first leg advantage over Barcelona, 2-0 win at Camp Nou. I told you guys Atletico Madrid are going to come with a different game plan against Barcelona. This is Champions League, not La Liga. This is Champions League, not Copa del Rey. I told you the intensity of this game will be very, very different from the one you guys have been watching as Atletico Madrid vs Barcelona in La Liga or any other games. Lack of experience cost Barcelona this game. Lack of experience. You need a combination of experienced players and young players to win major trophies in Europe. Barcelona are lacking this. Look at the red card Kovacic got. Lack of experience. Lack of experience. You are a last man. Allow the guy, even though if he scored, there is still time. You guys can do a comeback. There is still time. Atletico Madrid came with a well planned, good plan, and executed it very, very well. A masterclass plan. Now a huge advantage for them. And a big problem for Barcelona. A 2-0 defeat. Can they go to Atletico Madrid home and do a comeback? This will be very, very difficult for them. Don't forget, in their Copa del Rey game, Atletico Madrid beat Barcelona 4-0 at their home. So Barcelona will be going to Atletico Madrid home. Do you think they are going to do a comeback there? Barcelona missed Rafinha. They really missed Rafinha in this game. They really missed Rafinha. Because if Rafinha was in this game, at least the game, the tie will have been much more tight, close than this. So lack of experience cost Barcelona this game. The same thing eliminated them from the Champions League last season against Inter Milan. Lack of experience. So they need at least experienced players to balance things up. You could see not even Kovacic alone. Most of their players, they lack experience in that game. Yamal was playing for himself, not even the team. He was playing for himself. He was trying to force things. But it was all lack of experience that cost Barcelona this game. But Barcelona really tried in this game. Despite the red card, they outplayed Atletico Madrid in almost every aspect of the game. So the game is a bit unfair to Barcelona because at least they deserve a result in this game. But they have been defeated 2-0, a big task for them in the second leg and a huge advantage for Atletico Madrid. Congratulations, Atletico Madrid and Diego Simeone for a great masterclass, well planned and executed correctly. PSG, PSG schooled Liverpool. They schooled Liverpool. Liverpool, almost 0 shot on target in full 90 minutes in a Champions League quarter final. And you say you want to qualify. How? How do you want to qualify? This is no longer a Champions League play against big teams. No. This one PSG schooled Liverpool. Look at ball possession, 70 something for PSG. Look at shot on target. Look at their XG. Liverpool were totally outplayed. They were totally outplayed. In fact, this is the end for Liverpool. They have nothing to fight for in this season again. No Premier League, no FA Cup, no Carling Cup. Now the Champions League, they're already going out. In fact, they are already out. Because first leg, 2-0 defeat. Second leg, they will still go and repeat the same thing. If this is the way Liverpool are going to play, in fact, PSG should have scored more than 2 goals. As if it's professionals playing with under 19s. Look, Liverpool, this is very, very shameful. Very, very shameful of you guys. See, a Premier League team, big team, for that matter. In fact, will I even say better Chelsea self? Chelsea, Liverpool game. Chelsea even tried. This one, Liverpool did not even try at all. Liverpool did not try at all. They were schooled. They were outclassed. This is shameful. And a slot, what are you cooking at Liverpool? What are you cooking at Liverpool? You should be lucky. You should be lucky enough if Liverpool did not sack you by the end of the season. 0 shot on target in the Champions League quarter final. This is too serious. How much did Liverpool spend this season? How much did they spend? And you went and shame yourself against PSG in the Champions League game. Liverpool, it is over for you guys. over for you guys.